The remarkable styling of the Elantra injects a sporty and dynamic character into the compact sedan arena. The Elantra embodies Hyundai's revolutionary fluidic sculpture design language. The styling is both beautiful and functional. The sleek, sophisticated look of the Elantra originated at Hyundai's engineering and design studio in Irvine, California, the same studio that brought us the all-new Sonata. The Elantra sedan is built at Hyundai Motor Manufacturing, Alabama, and at Hyundai Motor Corporation in Ulsan, Korea. The Elantra lineup offers buyers a choice of 3 models. In the sedan body style, there's the well-equipped SE, the Sport, and the luxurious Limited. And to add an even sportier flavor to the Elantra lineup, the Elantra Coupe. Its head-turning 2-door coupe styling comes in a single model. Let's take a closer look at the Elantra and also highlight the major differences between the sedan and coupe models. Starting at the front, notice that the coupe gains a more aggressive appearance with a different front fascia and grille. The hood and fenders are also unique to the coupe. Here's a detail that most customers won't see. The Elantra's engine cover beneath the front bumper is designed to help reduce airflow resistance, contributing to improved fuel economy. Elantra features daytime running lights using reduced output from the high beams, which deliver the proven safety benefit of increased awareness among other drivers on the road. There are also teardrop-shaped wraparound headlights. Distinctive projector headlights with LED accents enhance styling and nighttime visibility. They're standard on Sport and Limited sedans and available on the Coupe with the technology package. Fog lights are standard on the Sport and Limited sedan for increased visibility in foggy weather. They're also available on the SE with the preferred package. Coupes come with standard fog lights that feature a unique and sporty design. A 0.28 coefficient of drag lets the Elantra slip through the wind for increased fuel economy and reduced noise inside the cabin. Front wheel openings at the bumper edges are designed to minimize tire resistance by shielding the tire from the wind. Also helping to reduce wind noise are details like the shape of the mirrors, the gaps between the door handles and the body, and sealing around the doors and side sills. Notice that the coupe wears a sportier profile. The driver and passenger doors are longer than those on the sedan for easy entry into the coupe's rear seat. The belt line beneath the windows is different. The B-pillars are pushed farther rearward, and the triangular quarter windows are also unique. A chrome beltline molding adds a touch of luxury to Sport and Limited sedans. All Elantras have body-color heated bifold mirrors that fold to help avoid damage in tight quarters. The Sport and Limited sedans and the Coupe have mirror-mounted LED turn signal repeaters that increase safety by helping to alert other drivers during turns and lane changes. This wide-angle spotter mirror on the driver's side alerts the driver of traffic that may be hidden in the blind spot. It's standard on SE sedan and Coupe. All Elantras include silica compound tires for better fuel economy due to their lower rolling resistance. The SE sedan has 15-inch alloy wheels, while the preferred equipment package adds 16-inch alloys. The Coupe and Sport sedan have these distinctive 17-inch alloys with black inserts. Standard on the Limited are these 17-inch alloys. The expressive styling continues at the rear with large wraparound taillights. The available touchscreen navigation system includes a backup camera, which displays a clear view immediately behind the vehicle. All models feature Elantra script, while the Limited displays a separate badge. The Coupe has a unique badge, rear window, longer quarter panels, plus a rear spoiler. And its sporty rear fascia has a black lower finish along with exposed dual tailpipes. These LED taillights contribute to the high-tech appearance of Sport and Limited sedans. They're also available with the Coupe's technology package. Other features that set the Sport apart from its sedan siblings include a rear spoiler and this exposed single exhaust tip. This antenna serves as the receiver for the standard XM satellite radio. There is also an in-glass diversity antenna for standard radio reception. Elantra's lengthy list of standard safety features includes 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, or ABS, which help maintain steering control during emergency stops. Electronic brake force distribution, or EBD, adjusts braking levels at individual wheels for smooth, comfortable stops. And brake assist, that senses emergency braking situations and intervenes by applying additional braking force if the driver does not press the brake pedal hard or fast enough. The suspension system employs McPherson struts up front with a torsion axle in the rear for a smooth ride with precise handling. A front stabilizer bar helps to reduce body lean when cornering. Steering knuckles on all Elantras have been revised for improved handling and response. The Sport Sedan and Coupe Sport-tuned suspension delivers more responsive handling with a modified steering rack for quicker response, plus revised shocks for increased control. The Elantra's rear suspension features monotube gas-charged shock absorbers, similar to those used on the Genesis Coupe, to deliver enhanced ride comfort while maintaining handling performance. And the Sport Sedan and Coupe's rear shocks are also revised for a sportier yet comfortable ride. Elantra SE and Limited sedans feature a driver-selectable steering mode. With 3 operating modes, Comfort, Normal, and Sport, this innovative system allows drivers to adapt steering characteristics to varying driving preferences and road conditions anytime they choose. Comfort Level offers the greatest ease of steering and is ideal for city and parking environments. Normal is ideal for a mix of driving conditions. Sport is optimized for higher-speed highways or winding roads. Power assistance is adjusted in each level along with on-center feel and steering buildup throughout the steering range for a very natural progressive feel. The Elantra's torsional body stiffness has been increased 37% versus its predecessor for improved handling. Details include a rear floor cross member that connects to the rear spring mounts, a front lower cowl member with shock absorber covers, and a large rear package tray cross member. And Elantra uses 14% more high-strength steel to help improve body stiffness. This completes your look at the exterior segment of the Elantra. One of the benefits of the Elantra's exterior design is that it allows for a spacious trunk. Built-in versatility enables drivers to open the trunk using the button on the keyless remote fob, the driver's side floor-mounted release, or the limited Sports or Coupe's available proximity key. With the proximity key in range, the trunk can be opened with this soft-touch switch. Cargo volume for both the sedan and coupe is 14.8 cubic feet, rivaling cars that are much larger than the Elantra, enough room for 3 sets of golf clubs. The trunk lid extends all the way down to the top edge of the bumper for easy loading and unloading. Longer objects can be carried inside the car thanks to the Elantra's 60-40 split folding rear seats. With the left side folded, the Elantra can still carry 4 passengers plus long items. The rear seat backs can be individually released by pulling on these handy levers mounted inside the trunk. Return the seat to the upright position and push on the seat back to lock it in place. A standard trunk light helps people locate items stored in the trunk. On Elantra, Hyundai engineers have taken a new approach to dealing with flat tires. As part of the effort to maximize fuel economy, the weight of an actual spare tire has been eliminated. In place of a spare tire is this innovative tire mobility kit. This kit enables vehicle owners to perform a tire puncture repair and reinflation. The kit includes a compressor and a container with a special sealant that's pumped into a flat tire to repair most common punctures. Here's how to use the tire mobility kit. First, the sealant container should be shaken. Then, connect the sealant container to the compressor so it is upright. Next, the sealant container is connected to the tire. Then, plug the compressor into either of the 12-volt outlets in the car, and, with the car's ignition switch on, turn on the compressor for about 3 minutes. To distribute the sealant, the car should then be driven about 2 miles. At this point, stop and use the compressor with its built-in pressure gauge to adjust the tire's inflation pressure to 32 psi. For more details on the use of the tire mobility kit, please see the owner's manual. A cargo net and cargo tray are available as accessories. This completes your look at the trunk area of the Elantra. The Elantra's cabin provides exceptional roominess for 3 passengers in the rear seat. That's because the Elantra offers class-above total interior volume of 110.4 cubic feet for the sedan and 110.2 cubic feet for the coupe, making it a mid-size car according to the EPA, or Environmental Protection Agency. Latch-equipped child seats are easy to install, using anchors at the bottom of the seat and tethers at the top. There are 3-point seat belts for all seating positions. The Elantra's rear seat fold-down armrest includes dual cup holders for added convenience. Each door is fitted with bottle holders and storage bins for extra storage. Unique rear side panels for the coupe include storage pockets for small items, a different armrest design, and speakers for the audio system. And the coupe's distinctive rear quarter windows are fixed and do not open. All Elantras have a storage pocket on the front passenger seat back. This convenient walk-in device on the front passenger seat of the coupes makes access to the rear seat easy. Just pull up on the lever, the seat back tilts forward, and the seat slides forward. To restore the seat to its original position, push the lower seat backwards until it stops, and then push the seat back up. Elantra Sedan brings yet more distinction to its class by offering the comfort of heated rear seats. They're standard on the Limited. Controls are conveniently positioned on the rear doors. Push the switch to activate the heater. To turn off the heater, push the switch again. Solar control glass to help keep the interior cooler and cut glare is standard on the sedan and coupe. Elantra Sedan continues to offer the safety of rear child-proof door locks. To help prevent unintended locking, the child lock feature is operated by inserting a key. To lock, which prevents the door from being opened from inside the vehicle, insert the key into the receptacle and turn it to the lock position. To unlock, insert the key and turn it to the unlock position. For details on interior seat coverings and color choices, go to the Star Product Information website at www.spi1986.com. Select Elantra, then Features List, and then Color. The Elantra Sedan has eco-friendly seats that use soy foam. In addition to the environmentally conscious nature of soybeans as a renewable resource, soy foam is naturally comfortable and economical to produce. The rear seat cushions on the Elantra Sedan use another material, expanded polypropylene or EPP. These cushions help reduce weight. Likewise, a glass mat thermofill or GMT panel is used in place of a steel back frame in the rear seat for further weight savings. This completes your look at the rear seat area of the Elantra. The passenger seat area highlights the Elantra's attention to detail with thoughtful comfort and luxury touches. The Elantra Sedan's front seats are designed to provide superb comfort and support for both the driver and passenger. Look closely, and you'll notice that the coupe's front seats are different. They're designed to hold occupants in place during sportier driving. The seat structure has been revised with larger bolsters on the seat backs. The Sport and Limited Sedan and Coupe with Technology package have door panels that feature the rich look of leatherette inserts. Cloth door trim inserts are standard on the Coupe and available on the SE Sedan with a preferred equipment package. The Coupe's front door panels are different since the doors are longer than the sedans. Note that the armrest design and door panel trim is also Coupe-specific. Power windows are standard on all Elantras. To open a window, press down on a switch. To close a window, pull up on the switch. Power door locks are also standard. The aluminum finish on the Limited's front door sill plates adds to the look of luxury. Heated front seats, standard on the Sport and Limited Sedan and the Coupe, and available on the SE Sedan with the preferred package, offer two-level control for increased comfort. Push the button to activate the low heat setting. Push it again for the high heat setting. To turn off the heater, push the button a third time. The standard audio system includes AM/FM with XM satellite radio, including a 3-month trial subscription, a CD player with MP3 file capability, and 6 speakers. This advanced audio system is standard on Sport and Limited and included on SE with the preferred package. It features a bright 4.3-inch color touchscreen plus a backup camera that displays the view behind the vehicle when backing up. To operate the touchscreen audio system, press the power button to turn the radio on. For tuning to channels, press the radio button, then turn the Tune Enter knob to select the desired channel and press the knob. Refer to the owner's manual for more detailed information on how to use the audio system. An upgraded premium audio system for the Limited Sedan and the Coupe comes with the optional 7-inch touchscreen navigation system. It offers 6 speakers and an external amplifier with 360 watts. To operate the upgraded audio system, press the power button to turn the radio on. Press the FM/AM or satellite buttons. Use the tune switch to select the desired channel. To preset a station into memory, press and hold any preset button until a beep is heard to store the current channel. To adjust the sound control, press Sound to enter the Setup menu. Use the on-screen touch controls to select the desired setting. Refer to the owner's manual for more detailed information on how to use the audio system. The high-tech convenience of Bluetooth streaming audio is standard on the Sport, Limited, and Coupe, and available on the SE sedan with the Preferred package. This means that once a compatible mobile device is paired to the system, its music can be played through the audio system wirelessly. With music controlled and playing from the mobile device, just press the CD aux button on the standard audio system or the media button on the touchscreen systems. An auxiliary jack and USB port, standard on all Elantras, enables passengers to connect a USB flash drive, MP3 player, or iPod. With this cable, an iPod plays through the vehicle's audio system and is also charged. And for greater convenience and safety, the iPod's music is controlled through the vehicle's audio head unit rather than the iPod itself. When an iPod is connected with the Apple-supplied cable, on-screen menus let users control the device as if it were in their hand. They can even display photos stored in JPEG format. The Limited sedan and the Coupe can be equipped with an optional navigation system. This conveniently integrates all audio features into the in-dash unit, AM/FM, XM satellite radio, and auxiliary media. The driver can operate the system using voice commands after pressing this button on the steering wheel or the unit's push buttons and touchscreen display. The sophisticated system includes visual and audio prompts, so the driver can get directions without looking away from the road. Destinations can be set using address search, up to 20 previous destinations, intersection search, points of interest, stored addresses, or the emergency category. The XM satellite radio interface is integrated into the navigation unit. It features real-time XM nav traffic and XM data services such as XM satellite weather, XM stocks, and XM sports. Owners receive a free 3-month trial of these services. The navigation system includes the added convenience of a backup camera. It uses the navigation display to show the driver a clear view immediately behind the vehicle, making backing out of tight spaces easier. The backup camera operates automatically when the transmission is shifted into reverse. Air conditioning is standard on all Elantras. The manual system is designed for ease of use, with controls conveniently positioned for the driver. Fan speed and temperature are controlled with separate rotary knobs. The lower knob controls temperature, while the upper knob controls fan speed. Mode buttons change the direction of airflow from the floor and defrost to face level, bi-level, or floor level. The air conditioner is activated by pressing this button. Air intake control is managed by another button with a choice of outside or fresh air position and a recirculation position. Automatic climate control is available on the Limited sedan with a technology package. It maintains a set temperature by automatically controlling the heating and air conditioning systems. It can regulate a set temperature for both the front passenger and the driver. A clean air ionizer is included with the automatic climate control. It generates positive and negative ions that seek out and surround airborne particles such as allergens, mold, and bacteria, and make them inactive so they have no harmful effects. The system's cabin air filter traps particles from the ionizer as well as cleaning dust and other pollutants from the air that comes in from the outside vents. An auto-defogging system uses a humidity sensor to detect moisture and automatically remove it from the glass to help prevent window fogging. An occupant classification system is designed to evaluate weight and position of the front passenger seat occupant and determine whether or not to activate the passenger airbag. When the system disables the airbag under certain conditions, the indicator light will turn on. The light will not illuminate when the passenger's airbag is active. A power tilt and slide sunroof with a sliding sunshade is standard on the Sport and Limited sedan and available on the Coupe with a technology package for increased ventilation. To slide open the sunroof, press the switch rearward. Press it past the detent to open it completely. To close the sunroof, press the switch forward and past the detent to close it completely. To tilt the sunroof, push or pull the switch up or down. The Elantra center console offers a large storage compartment with room for a compact netbook type of computer. For added comfort, a 2-position sliding armrest is standard on the Sport and Limited sedan, the Coupe, and optional on the SE with the Preferred equipment package. Two standard 12-volt power outlets allow cell phone charging and other electronic uses. One is located in the middle of the center console for the driver, while the other is positioned on the passenger's side tray of the center console, so the front passenger can plug in a cell phone. And there's an abundance of additional storage areas, including front console center and side trays, space to store a cell phone near the armrest base, separate cell phone storage holders on the door panel armrests, plus a large glove box fitted with a damper that keeps contents in place as it swings open effortlessly. Both visors have vanity mirrors. Lighted mirrors for increased visibility in the dark are standard on the Sport and Limited sedan, the Coupe, and optional on the SE sedan with the preferred equipment package. Use the switch to turn on the light. To turn off the light, simply swing the visor up to its stored position. Standard on the Sport and Limited sedan, the Coupe, and optional on the SE sedan with the preferred package, both sun visors also include extensions to help block out more sunlight in hard-to-reach areas. Overhead, all Elantras have a built-in sunglass holder. Dual map lights and the center dome light have settings to allow automatic operation when a door is opened for added nighttime convenience. This concludes your look at the front passenger seat area of the Elantra. The driver's seat area puts the driver in control of all that the Elantra has to offer, while delivering on the Hyundai virtues of comfort, convenience, technology, and safety. A remote keyless entry with security alarm is standard. Press the lock button once to lock the doors. Press it twice for a confirmation signal. Press the unlock button once to unlock the driver's door. Press it twice to unlock all doors. Press and hold the trunk button to unlock the trunk. Proximity entry with push-button start is optional on the Limited sedan and on the Coupe with the technology package. This allows drivers to unlock, lock, and operate their Elantra without removing the key from their pocket or purse. With the key in range, pressing this small button on the door handle unlocks the driver's door. Pressing it twice unlocks all the doors. When exiting the car, pressing this button once will lock all the doors. The driver can also use the proximity fob buttons to lock all the doors, unlock the driver's door or all the doors, unlock the trunk, and activate the panic alarm. An engine start-stop button is included with the proximity key. To start the car, press the start-stop button while pressing the brake pedal. To shut the engine off, place the shift lever in park and press the engine start-stop button again. To activate the accessory mode without starting the engine, do not press the brake pedal and press the start-stop button once. Press the button a second time for the on mode and press the button again to turn it off. If the battery in the key fob ever loses power, you can unlock the vehicle using the mechanical key. Then, press the start-stop button with the key fob to start the engine. Be sure to visit your authorized Hyundai dealer as soon as possible to replace the battery in the key fob. An electronic engine immobilizer included with the proximity key reduces the risk of unauthorized use. The car will not start without the proper proximity key. Please note that this also means on these push-button start models that the typical steering column lock is no longer used to help prevent unauthorized operation. To operate the standard power side view mirrors, press the toggle switch to the left for the left side mirror, then adjust the mirror using the four-way switch for left, right, up, or down. Press the toggle switch to the right to adjust the right side mirror using the same four-way control. When the mirrors are properly adjusted, place the toggle switch in the middle position to lock the controls. Heating elements are included in the mirrors for use in foggy or misty conditions. To activate the side mirror heaters, press the rear window defroster button. To turn off the heaters, press the defroster button again. The power door locks are also located here, along with the power window switches. An auto down feature is standard on the driver's side window. Press fully down on the switch to lower the window automatically. Auto up on the driver's side, standard on the Sport and Limited sedan and the Coupe, is activated by pulling fully up on the switch to close the window automatically. The driver can disable the power window switches by pressing the lock switch. Pressing the switch again unlocks the window switches. To move the driver's seat forward or backward on all Elantras except the Limited sedan, pull up on the bar under the front seat cushion. Release the bar to lock the seat in place. To adjust the seat cushion height, pull the lever up or push it down. To adjust the seat back angle, pull up on this lever and move the seat back to the most comfortable position. Release the lever to lock the seat back in place. Pull up on the headrest to raise its position. To lower the headrest, press the lock knob while pushing down on the headrest. Power driver's seat controls with adjustable lumbar support, standard on the limited sedan, make it easy to find the right position. All Elantras have a tilt and telescoping steering column. Pull the lever downward and adjust the steering wheel to the most comfortable position. Then pull the lever upward to lock the column in place. A leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, standard on the Sport, limited sedan, and the Coupe, add a touch of luxury and elegance. Switches to operate the standard cruise control are located on the steering wheel. To set a cruising speed, press the on-off button. The cruise indicator will illuminate in the instrument cluster. Accelerate to the desired cruising speed, above 25 miles per hour, then press the set button and remove your foot from the accelerator pedal. To accelerate, press the RES Plus button upward to increase cruising speed. To decelerate, press the Set Minus button downward to decrease set cruising speed. There are 3 ways to cancel the cruise control. Press the Cancel button, or tap the brake pedal, or press the On-Off button. Bluetooth hands-free communications is standard on Sport and limited sedans, the Coupe, and optional on the SE sedan with the preferred equipment package. There are 3 different Bluetooth driver interfaces for the Elantra. The standard audio system for the SE and the Coupe and the 4.3-inch display audio for the Sport and Limited work the same way, while the third is packaged with the optional navigation system and uses the display screen. To pair a mobile device with the 2 non-navigation audio systems, press the Call button on the steering wheel or press the Setup button on the audio system controls. Use the central knob to select Phone, press Enter, and then select Pair and press Enter. The system will supply the passkey needed to connect the mobile device. Once the device is paired, the driver uses the voice recognition button to make a call and uses the disconnect button to end a call. To pair a mobile device with the optional touchscreen navigation system, first press the Phone button above the touchscreen. Then press the on-screen Settings button, then the Pairings button, and the Add To button. The system will supply the passkey code that is needed for input into the mobile device. Once a device is paired with either system, if the device is compatible, it will download the mobile device's phone book. Be aware that different mobile devices have differing levels of system compatibility, and this may affect the phone book download. To make a call, press the voice recognition button. To end the call, press the disconnect button. The Hyundai BlueLink mobile telematics system is standard on limited sedan and available on the Coupe with the technology package. BlueLink allows Hyundai vehicles to send and receive important or useful information. And with Hyundai Assurance Connected Care, core BlueLink safety and car care features are standard on BlueLink-equipped models for 3 years. With BlueLink, you can find local points of interest, including gas stations with the best prices. Local authorities can track and control your vehicle if it's stolen. You can receive vehicle diagnostic reports and even operate various vehicle features remotely. From the smartphone app, owners will enjoy the convenience of locking and unlocking their doors, activating their horn and lights, and remote starting the vehicle. BlueLink services are grouped into 3 packages: BlueLink Assurance, which is standard for 3 years, BlueLink Essentials, and BlueLink Guidance. You can get more detail on BlueLink by going to www.hyundaibluelink.com. The Elantra's advanced technology includes motor-driven power steering. This lightweight electronic rack and pinion system helps to save fuel. Steering assist is engine speed sensing with more assist at low speeds for parking. Aluminum pedals, standard on the Coupe and Sport sedan, enhance the sporty character of the interior. All the headlight controls are located on a stalk on the left side of the steering wheel. Rotate the stalk to the first setting to turn on the parking lights. The second setting turns on the headlights. The third setting, marked Auto, is for Elantras equipped with automatic headlights. These are standard on the limited sedan and available on the Coupe with the technology package. When set to Auto, the headlights will turn on and off automatically, depending on the amount of light outside the vehicle. The headlight sensor is located on the top of dash, so drivers should be careful not to cover this area with papers or aftermarket coverings. To flash the headlights as a signal to other drivers, pull the lever towards you and release. This can be accomplished whether the headlights are turned on or not. To activate the high beams, turn on the headlights and push the lever away from you. Pull the lever back for low beams. Controls for the fog lights are also located on the headlight stalk. Fog lights are standard on the Sport and Limited sedan and the Coupe, and available on the SE with the Preferred package. Rotate this switch to turn the fog lights on or off. Note that they only operate with the headlights in the low beam position. 2-speed variable intermittent wipers are standard. Wiper controls are located on the stalk on the right side of the steering wheel. Move the stalk up and release it for a single wipe to remove mist from the windshield. Move the stalk down one position to activate the intermittent wipe function. Rotate the ring on the stalk to decrease or increase intermittent timing for light rain. Move the stalk down another position for normal wiper speed during constant rain. Move the stalk down to the lowest position for fast wiper speed during heavy rain. Return the stalk to the off position to cancel the wipers. To activate the windshield washers, pull the stalk toward you and release. You can repeat this step as many times as needed to clear the windshield of dirt or debris. The Elantra's instrument cluster is designed for a high-tech appearance, yet it's also highly functional with gauges and displays that are easy to read and interpret. To adjust instrument panel illumination, push the toggle switch up or down. The standard trip computer is controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Press the trip button to toggle through the following displays: trip meters A and B, distance to empty or range, average fuel consumption, average speed, and elapsed time. Press the reset button at each selection to erase the recorded information. Other instrument cluster displays include a shift indicator light on models with manual transmission that tell the driver when to upshift for maximum fuel efficiency. The Elantra also has a standard external temperature display for added convenience. The standard tire pressure monitoring system will display an alert if it detects low tire pressure. Please note, temperature, weather, and altitude affect tire pressure and can cause a TPMS alert. If this symbol blinks, that can indicate a need for service. A 6-speed manual transmission is standard on the SE and Sport sedan. Hyundai's 6-speed Shiftronic automatic transmission is optional on the SE and Sport and standard on the Limited sedan and the Coupe. The Shiftronic transmission's gated design offers drivers the fun and responsiveness of a manual transmission without having to operate a clutch pedal. Placing the shift lever into the manual mode enables the driver to shift gears by tapping the lever forward or back. All Elantras are equipped with a hand-operated parking brake. The safety of electronic stability control, or ESC, with vehicle stability management, or VSM, is standard on all Elantras. ESC will apply braking, retard engine timing, or even reduce the throttle to help keep the vehicle on the driver's intended path. ESC also includes a traction control system, which reduces wheel spin under acceleration. VSM monitors functions of a number of safety systems, including ESC, ABS, and traction control, along with the Elantra's motor-driven power steering, and controls them seamlessly for the driver under all road conditions. Remember that electronic stability control is meant to enhance and assist conscientious driving habits and is not a substitute for safe driving practices. In a recent study conducted by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, ESC reduced the risk of all single-vehicle crashes, fatal and non-fatal, by 41%. ESC can be turned off by the driver by pressing the ESC button. To turn ESC on, press the button again. The system automatically selects the on position when the engine is started. All Elantra models with automatic transmissions have an active ecosystem that modifies engine and transmission control for improved fuel economy. In fact, based on internal tests, this system provides up to a 7% improvement in real-world fuel economy over vehicles without this feature. Elantra also features standard hill start assist control. This technology minimizes rolling backward when starting out on a steep hill. When the driver releases the brake, hill start assist control will keep the vehicle stationary for a few seconds, giving the driver time to apply the throttle. Remote releases for fuel filler door and trunk are conveniently located on the floor next to the driver's seat. Among the extensive list of the Elantra's advanced standard safety equipment are 6 standard airbags, including 2 full-length roof-mounted side curtain airbags, front 2-stage airbags, and front seat-mounted side impact airbags. This completes your look at the Elantra's driver's seat area. The Elantra's surprising combination of performance and economy is due largely to its power plants. Under the hood is a choice of 2 advanced engines that provide owners with the best of all worlds. The Elantra's 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine with multi-point fuel injection provides satisfying performance, excellent fuel economy, and low emissions. Standard on SE and limited sedan, this engine delivers up to 148 horsepower and 131 pound-feet of torque, depending on its emission ratings. The Elantra's 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with gasoline direct injection, or GDI, increases the fun-to-drive character of the sports sedan and coupe. This engine delivers 173 horsepower and 154 pound-feet of torque for improved acceleration and increased performance. Gasoline direct injection is a sophisticated design that provides a more direct path of fuel delivery to the cylinders, allowing for more efficient control of the fuel mixture. A high-pressure fuel pump, along with a higher-than-normal compression ratio, gives GDI 3 important advantages: improved engine power compared to port fuel injection, reduced emissions, and increased fuel economy. Dual continually variable valve timing provides optimum performance and economy in any driving conditions. Whether stop-and-go traffic, highway speeds, or mountain driving, the Elantra engine is always timed to deliver peak power and efficiency. Both engines have a sophisticated dual CVVT system that operates on both the intake and exhaust camshafts. Compared to single CVVT, it helps to increase both performance and fuel economy while reducing hydrocarbon emissions by 30%. A 2-stage variable induction system provides optimal engine breathing by changing the airflow path into the cylinders at different engine speeds. This produces improved engine torque for more satisfying performance. Both Elantra engines also feature a lightweight aluminum block and head, double overhead cams, and 4 valves per cylinder. A maintenance-free timing chain is designed to last for the life of the engine, while its nearly silent operating design reduces noise inside the cabin. Electronic throttle control improves drivability compared to the conventional mechanical cable and linkage setup, allowing the throttle to operate more quickly and with greater precision. The Elantra's remarkably efficient engines run on regular unleaded gasoline to reduce operating costs. This completes your look at the Elantra's hood area.